Good morning students, how are you all? We will continue with solution of chapter number 6, changes around us, question number 8. Answer the following in 3 to 4 sentences. List the change you see around you. The changes seen around us are as follows. Phases of moon, rising and setting of sun, day and night, blooming of flowers on the plant, falling of leaves from the tree, cooling of hot water, growing of nails and many more. So these are the general changes which we can see around us. What do you mean by a reversible change? Give 2 examples. The changes that can be revised and the original form of the substance can be obtained again is called reversible change. रिवर्सिबल चेंज क्या होता है कि जो ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस है उसमें से हम कुछ पीरियड के लिए उसे चेंज करते हैं और वापस उसे ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे लाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, डिसॉल्विंग ऑफ सॉल्ट इन वाटर, फ्रीजिंग ऑफ वाटर, राइट. सो दीज चेंज आर टेम्पररी and the original form of substance can be obtained back. Now freezing of water, हम पानी को बर्फ में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और बर्फ को हम वापस बाउल में रखेंगे तो वो वापस पानी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. What do you mean by an irreversible change? Give 2 examples. The change that cannot be reversed to obtain the substance in its original form by simple physical method is called irreversible. Okay, the change where the substance cannot be reversed in the original form by simple method is called as reversible change. Example, curdling of milk. जब हम मिल्क को दही में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो दही में से हमें वापस मिल्क नहीं मिलता है, राइट. फ्राइंग और चिप्स, एक बार हमने चिप्स फ्राई करके उसे क्रंची बना दी तो वापस उसे हम ओरिजिनल वेजिटेबल के फॉर्म में नहीं ला सकते हैं. लिस्ट 4 चेंजेस दैट टेक प्लेस व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हीटेड. हीटिंग ऑफ आयरन, बर्निंग ऑफ कैंडल, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाटर इनटू वेपर, रोस्टिंग ऑफ चपाती एक्सेट्रा आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हीटिंग. How is slightly smaller metal rim filled on a wooden wheel of a bullock cart? The metal rim which are fitted on a wooden wheel of a bullock cart is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. जो bullock cart के अंदर wheel होती है बच्चों, वो wood की बनाई जाती है, right? They are made up of wooden wheel. So the metal rim in which is fitted on a wooden wheel. वुडन व्हील जो है उसके ऊपर आयरन की प्लेट बिठाई जाती थी. क्यों? उसकी मजबूती के लिए. On heating, the rim expands and fit into the wheel easily. उसे गर्म करके वुड के ऊपर चढ़ाया जाता है क्योंकि हम जैसे ही आयरन को गर्म करते हैं वो एक्सपांड होता है. कोल्ड वाटर इज देन पोर्ड ओवर द रिम. द रिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड बिकम्स स्लाइटली स्मॉलर. नाउ इट फिट्स टाइटली ऑनटू द व्हील. यानी पहले के जो व्हील्स थे वो वुडन थे तो वो लंबे समय के बाद वो घिस जाते थे. सो नाउ पीपल आर पुटिंग iron plate. Why people are putting iron plate? So that iron plate can save wheel from wearing it out. List 4 changes that takes place in our body. The 4 changes takes place in our body are growth of nails, growth of hair, increase in height, growing old. So these all changes we can see in our own body. How is curd prepared from milk. The milk is gently heated. Small quantity of curd is added to milk. Warm milk. The milk is stirred gently so that the curd does not mix into the milk. The mixture is then left to stand still at warm place for a few hours and you will get curd. Curd is very necessary for our body. State all the changes that occur in wheat starting from its grain to becoming to chapati. Also categorize them into reversible and irreversible change. The changes that occur in wheat starting from its own to become a chapati. Grinding of wheat grain into flour, that is irreversible, first step. Second, preparing dough from flour, irreversible change. Third is rolling of pin. Rolling of pin. Rolling of small ball into roti, that is reversible change. Roasting of rolled roti, that is irreversible change. So children, this shows that some changes are reversible, some are non-reversible, and some are having both the things. They are non-reversible and reversible. Right children? So here we have discussed about preparing dough from flour, breaking dough into small balls, rolling of small balls, and last is roasting of rolled roti. Question number 9. Write difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. In this type of changes, we can obtain the substance in its original form. Changes that can be reversed. In this type of changes, we cannot obtain the substance in its original form. जो रिवर्स चेंज में है उसमें हमें सब्सटेंस ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में वापस मिलता है, लेकिन ये जो चेंज है वहाँ पे हमें केमिकल चेंज ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है. We don't get only. Next is generally these kind of changes are political science. Generally these kinds of changes are chemical change. Original or closing or door, filling glass with water and change that can be revised. Curdlings of milk, rusting of iron or curdling of milk, rusting of iron are changes that cannot be revised. उसे हम वापस रिवाइज नहीं कर सकते. Give scientific reason. A bag of cement lying in the paper get wet due to rain during the night. The next day the sun shines brightly. POP reacts with water and forms a new hard compound. This change cannot be revised because it is chemical change. A thick coating of a paste of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage on a fractured bones. It becomes easy, or how much time As soon as water is added to cement, a chemical change starts, as a result of which cement becomes as hard as stone. This change is the chemical change. It cannot be reversed. A thick coating of plaster of Paris को हम अप्लाई करते हैं जब हमें फ्रैक्चर होता है. क्यों करते हैं? ताकि जो बोन्स है उसके ऊपर प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस स्टिफ हो जाए और अंदर बोन्स की मूवमेंट ना हो और हमें जल्दी आराम मिलता है और क्रैक्स भी फटाफट भरते हैं. राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो विद दिस वी कंप्लीट आवर चैप्टर. इन नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल कंटिन्यू विद नेक्स्ट सेशन. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे चिल्ड्रन.